yeah, he just on the video like, whoa! Oh boy. Somehow I don't like the looks of this. Oh boy.
Ah! Stop! My shoe! You ran over my shoe. Okay, we're good.
Oh.
Oh shoe. It's not a shoe. It's oh shoe.
Facebook is not Oshu, it's Oshu. That is such a good Facebook thing.
Well, this is one on YouTube.
Well, you YouTube it and I'll Facebook it then.
Okay. Hey Morgan, why don't you...
The kitten out?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was planning on doing. While I ran in and got my charger.
Okay, careful. You're getting too close to the ground. You tip over, I'll have to bail.
I'm staying this close because as soon as I get down that curve forest,
Yeah.
you want to be on this side of the road.
Watch out! You're gonna tip over, man!
I'm not gonna tip.
Careful. I think that we're here. Okay, slow down. Slow down, Kate. Nice and easy.
I'm finding the easy way into Morgan's.
Probably right here.
There's a good spot. Turn.
Follow me. Just go to me.
That would help out now.
Yeah, this part gets a little... Yeah, I think this is actually the flattest part, so if you come out here, you should be good.
Okay, you're good, Kate. Keep it coming. Nice and gently.
I think I just...
Well, you can come a little bit. It's flat. Like, it is flat.